Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Singh Danu and I am from Delhi. I completed my bachelor's degree from Delhi University. After graduation, I joined Vision Technoserve through a recommendation from my relative named Vikram, who introduced me to their program. Coming from a non-IT background, I was initially unsure about entering the IT industry. However, after enrolling in their 45-day job program, I gained the right skills, confidence, and guidance. Today, I am happy to share that I have received an offer package of 3.2 LPA from Aventor. I would like to sincerely thank all the teachers and team members at Evision for supporting and guiding me throughout my journey. From the start of the training to my final job placement, everyone helped me a lot. Every teacher at Evision has been amazing, but Rahul Das sir has been especially supportive and inspiring to me. I had a wonderful learning experience with Evision, and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to build a career in the IT sector. If you are serious about starting your IT career, Evision is definitely one of the best platforms to join. Thank you.